Our space adventure starts right here in our solar system. It's an amazing group of planets and other things in space. Planets, moons, asteroids, and comets all move around the sun. It's like a beautiful dance in space. The sun is a huge ball of burning gas. Its strong gravity keeps everything in the solar system in place. The sun gives us light and heat. It makes life on Earth possible. 8 planets go around the sun. Each one is different and special. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It's super hot there. Neptune is the farthest planet. It's incredibly cold and windy there. Our solar system is full of different and interesting planets. Our home, Earth, is one of these planets. It's full of life. Earth is a special place in space where living things exist, but Earth is just one small part of the universe. Our solar system is tiny compared to the whole universe. Let's explore what's beyond our solar system. There are 2 kinds of planets in our solar system, rocky planets and gas giants. They are very different from each other. The inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, are made of rock and metal. They have hard surfaces with mountains and deserts. The outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, are huge and made of gas. They're mostly hydrogen and helium, like the Sun. They have rings and lots of moons. There are other things in our solar system besides planets. Asteroids are big space rocks that orbit the Sun. Most of them are between Mars and Jupiter. Comets are made of ice and come from far away in the solar system. They sometimes have bright tails. Everything in our solar system helps us learn how it was made. By studying these things, we learn more about Earth and the universe. People used to wonder if there were planets around other stars. Now we know there are. Planets that orbit other stars are called exoplanets. The first exoplanet, 51 Pegasi b, was discovered in 1995. Since then, we've found thousands more. One way we find exoplanets is by watching for a star to get a little dimmer when a planet passes in front of it. We can also see a star wobble because of a planet's gravity. There are many different kinds of exoplanets. Some are giant gas planets very close to their stars. These are called hot Jupiters. Some are rocky planets bigger than Earth called super-Earths. Some are in the habitable zone, where it might be the right temperature for liquid water and maybe even life. Our solar system is inside a giant group of stars called the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy shaped like a giant whirlpool. It has hundreds of billions of stars. Our Sun is just one star in the Milky Way. We can see the Milky Way as a band of light in the night sky. The Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. Some galaxies are spirals like ours. Some are shaped like ovals and are called elliptical galaxies. Some have no particular shape and are called irregular galaxies. Galaxies are grouped together in clusters and superclusters. These are the biggest structures in the universe. Studying galaxies helps us learn how the universe has changed over time. Telescopes help us see far into space. They've gotten much better over time. The James Webb Space Telescope is a new, powerful telescope. It can see through dust and gas in space. It can see the first stars and galaxies. Other telescopes are also helping us learn. Some telescopes on Earth use special technology to see clearly through our atmosphere. Telescopes are always getting better. Are we alone in the universe? That's a big question. Finding exoplanets makes us wonder if there's life on them. Scientists are looking for signs of life on other planets. They look for things like oxygen and methane. These could mean there are living things there. We haven't found alien life yet, but we keep looking. Finding life on another planet would be a huge discovery. Space exploration is very exciting. We're planning new missions to Mars and other planets. We want to explore moons that might have oceans under the ice. We'll use powerful telescopes to find more exoplanets. New technology might let us travel to other stars. Space exploration encourages kids to study science and math. Space exploration is important for many reasons. It helps us create new technologies. It helps people from different countries work together. Space technology helps us here on Earth. Satellites help us communicate. Space research helps doctors too. Space exploration is good for everyone. It helps us appreciate our planet. Earth is a special place. Space exploration encourages us to work together. It's an investment in the future. Maybe one day, humans will live in space. We've learned so much about space, from our solar system to faraway galaxies. We're looking for other planets and maybe even life. We're exploring other planets and moons. The universe is beautiful and amazing. We're learning more all the time. We're excited to see what the future brings. There's still so much to discover. The universe is full of mysteries. If we keep exploring, we'll learn the answers. We can inspire the next generation of explorers. Space is calling us. Let's keep exploring. Let's work together to learn.